Good afternoon, this is Peter from Peter Stone Jewelry, and our webinar is coming up very quickly. And I've stretched it out over a few weeks. My intention was only to have 2 weeks worth of videos to you. Every other day I wanted to send you a video. But you have to excuse me if you got one too many, or maybe you didn't get enough. But the bottom line is, this is a new project for me. A lot of things are going on with business, and I have to run the business. But, right? Two words I shouldn't be using, but I am. And I decided, no matter what, I'm going to do this webinar. No matter what I have to do, I'm doing this webinar for myself and for you. It took an extra week and a half worth of videos. We're figuring things out. We don't know what we're doing, but we're learning. So the next one will be better and better and better. But I do know about jewelry and about business. And I can really show you a lot of things about business. So this is a sneak preview. And in this preview, what you're going to get is really how to adjust your attitude. And I don't mean for 5 minutes and then go back to your old state. There are certain things that you can do to maintain in a higher positive attitude that's going to carry you through the dips. The other thing is, I'm going to show you many ways that you've heard of, but you maybe have not done. Online sales, using Facebook, Twitter, a lot of different social media tools, but just a simple website coupled with it. And how to get sales simply, quickly, and easily from your database, from people. And I'm going to show you how not to lose the money that's right in front of you. I've walked into many stores and people don't even have a book to sign up. I mean, I'm saying, how many years have you been doing this? And you're not collecting an email, a phone number, or a guest book. And when's your birthday? By the way, here's a special gift for you. Well, sale. Ching, ching. The other thing is, we're going to go into inventory management and money management. It's not difficult. It's pretty simple. And when you keep a close eye on it, what is working, what is not working, I mean, these are really common sense things, but we think business is more complicated than it is. And sometimes I have done it. I bought what I really liked. It wasn't what was selling, it's what I really liked. And what I wanted to do, what I wanted to do. And that didn't make me money all the time. I've learned to a little more self-discipline, do more of what works, and then later on I'll have enough money to play with what I like to do. It took me 10 years to create my dive silver line. I just gave up the ocean for 10 years. 10 years. Painful. No seagulls, no ocean, no jet skis, no sailing. Very little salt air. But it paid off. And I'm not saying you have to give up 10 years. Today you've got a shortcut. You got everything online. I'll show you how to be a notch higher than the average person online. That's the key. And then I'm going to give you, yes, that value over the competition. What is it that you need to do to stand out just a notch higher to get that sale? Because you don't have everyday competitive jewelry out of China, India, or some other place. You have something special, or you create yourself to be special. Through the way you write, the way you talk, I can train you on that and teach you. And then that is leading up to the key marketing strategies in the way you write, the way you talk, little videos online, and testimonials, simple little things that are easy. If you're already at a fair, you have a store, and you're already talking to people, well, hey, find a few people that like your jewelry, and say, hey, would you tell the world about what you think about my jewelry? And I'll post it on Facebook, and you never know if it's ever going to go viral. You just might say something funny and unusual, or just being yourself, and it goes viral. So we don't know, but if we intend to grow our business, the intention, I will show you some really good, beautiful tools. There's going to be bonuses in here. I'm going to throw some bonuses in here. And for the first 25 people that sign up, $197, you don't have the $197, or you don't want to spend it all at one time, $79, 3 easy payments once a month. You'll be billed automatically. You can log in here, sign up here, and get into this webinar. It's really going to be a blast. We'll have a lot of fun, a lot of laughs, and make some money. And in the end, you'll have more confidence and your fears will fall away. When they come back, you'll have tools to manage them. Mind management. It's about not what comes into your mind, because we are bombarded all day with all kinds of energy and junk. It's how we learn to manage that stuff. In one ear, out the other, in one eye, out the other, in one eye, out the back of the head. It doesn't matter, as long as we don't hold on to the junk and we keep the positive stuff. Really, that's our core. So it's a building process. So I wanted to invite you to these little tips and what we're going to do for 5 weeks. It's the sneak preview. You'll get lots of bonuses and benefits. 25 people sign up, 20 minutes or more on the phone, one-on-one. I'm going to share the front line. And if you have questions, I will answer your questions. What you really want to know the most, that you think, just what's that one thing I could get from Peter that's going to just get me over the edge, get me through to the other side, get my business shooting up. Sign up. You'll be happy you did. Peter from Peter Stone will see you on the webinar.